In less than 15 minutes, I will be revealing to you how a simple but well-known skill that only requires 1 hour daily to master can earn you as much as $1,000 in your first month, just by designing simple web pages and sales system for both local and international clients. And you can actually do this yourself. Not just that you can do this, but you can do this without learning any complex skill, any complex tech skill at all, without even writing a single line of code. You don't need to know how to write the code to do this. And you can work from the comfort of your home on your own terms with clients all around the world. This means that you can do this anywhere in the universe. Even if you are in the most poorest state in the world. There are 3 ways to make money from tech world as a Nigerian or someone in Africa right now. Only about 3 ways. Number 1 option: dedicate the next 2-3 years to learning complex skills like programming, cloud computing, or blockchain development, and after which you will begin to earn from anywhere between $2,000 to $5,000. But that will be after years of learning and coping with the long time frame it takes to complete a single project. That's if you even get the project. Option 2, you opt for an easier tech skill like project management. This one doesn't require programming. That will take you less time to learn and only $300 for every project until you have up to 2 years of experience before you can earn more. It's relative. Some people 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Some people 1 year plus, Or you go for option 3, which is learn how to design simple web pages and sales systems without writing a single line of code in less than 3 weeks. In 3 weeks, you can learn this skill and land your first international gig with the potential of earning anywhere between $700 to $1,000. Anywhere within that range, once you learn this skill. But this seems to be the best option actually for you. And if you are interested, I will not only show you how to master the skill, but also how to set up your business and work with international clients. But first, let me introduce myself. Name is Ikechukwu, and I will tell you why you need to take the next few minutes to listen to me and watch this till the end. Having worked as a web consultant and offering digital marketing services to international government establishments for over 11 years, I've trained more than 1,000 successful students to become well-paid digital marketers. And not just that, right? I've also created 4 blockbuster web design softwares. I've built softwares and I've launched them on JVZoo and Warrior Plus. I've seen firsthand the profitability of web design and sales funnel. A professional web designer or sales funnel can charge up to $500 to $1,000 per gig. Let's do the maths, right? So imagine this. Professionals get 5 gigs a month. Imagine you get 5 gigs a month at a minimum of $1,000 per gig. That's $5,000 per month. And if you're going to convert it to Naira for those who are in Nigeria, this is about 7.5 million Naira they're going to make in a single month. And these pages can often be completed in an afternoon. You're not building an entire website from scratch. It can even be 2 pages of a website, right? But so that you don't doubt this, let me show you proof. Now look on your screen right now. You're going to see a web designer called Alice O from Nigeria, who says she does web design with exactly what I'm going to show you, and she charges $10 per hour, and she has earned up to $3,000 plus. Look at it right here. Then coming down here, you will see Omosoro O, again from Nigeria, who charges $5 per hour and has earned up to $2,000 right here. And then there is this lady, Georgida, who has also made $60,000, charging $13 per hour, doing exactly what I just told you right now. Now you can understand why a lot of people are struggling to master the skill and get into this space, because not only is it easy to learn without investing so much time, but with this single skill, you can work in any industry or sector, because every sector needs this service. I can tell you for a fact. You can work with both international and local clients from the comfort of your home. You don't need to go anywhere. With just your laptop and your internet connection, take on multiple projects and deliver quickly. With no code system, you will never have to write a single line of code for it. So you can do what tech people do and without even writing a single line of code. But why this skill is well known, a lot of people know it, and very simple to learn, you need to invest only just an hour to learn and implement this every single day. It is still difficult for a lot of people to make a lot of money from this skill because they don't know how to land well-paying clients, both internationally and locally. So it's not even about learning the skill, but can you land the client? It's not just enough to learn the skill. What makes you profitable is the fact that you know how to offer your service well, and also how to land both international and foreign clients, and of course local clients. If you can master and implement this, you can transform your life as soon as possible. But don't take my word for it. Let's look at a very typical example of one of my students. Now, this is one of my old students of mine. His name is Nnemeka, and I'm going to tell you exactly what happened. Look at him before and then look at him right now. This is one of his recent pictures, how his life transformed tremendously by just this power skill that I'm sharing with you right now. And he has mastered how to attract international clients for himself. Now, Nnemeka reached out to me about 4 years ago as a very young boy who have passion to make money as web designer. At the time, I have just launched the very first version of my training program. It was not as powerful as it is today, but it didn't stop this young man who was determined to do big things in the web design space. He was determined to be successful, and nothing prepared me for the results he got just a week after enrolling in the program. After 1 week of studying and implementing all the steps in the program, he landed his first client who paid him to build a website. Today, Nnemeka has gone on to dominate the tech space and is now the CEO of Spark Africa and the founder of the Africa Technology Expo and Africa Startup Festival, which is one of the biggest tech festivals in Nigeria. All because he took the bold step to master the skill of web design without coding. Now let's look at him. This is Nnemeka Clinton. You can see here, chief futurist at Spark Africa. We have a lot of his pictures right there where he has spoken in different events and all that. But let's get into it. Now, just like my old student Nnemeka, if you would like to learn the no-code system of becoming a web and sales funnel designer, and also learn how to land high-paying international clients that will pay you well in dollars for your service, as well as well-paying international clients, I'll be more happy to help you get started. Would you want me to help you get started? If you want me to help you get started, comment in the comment section, get started. Now I want to introduce to you what changed Nnemeka's life and how it can also change your life. Nnemeka actually changed his life and he's living the life of his dream. Look at him in several stages doing amazing things, all because of this single program. Now I'm introducing to you the Web Design Cartel. It's a home study course, job landing and community program. Now follow me closely. Now what does this program contain? What does it have? It has 3 core things. It has a course. It teaches you how to get the job. A course that teaches you how to learn the skill. A course that teaches you how to land the job. And a course that provides community support for you. Now, a home study course that shows you how to build professional websites and sales funnel from scratch without any technical or coding skill in minutes, and land high-paying international and local clients. First, you will learn how to build different kinds of websites without coding. The first website, you're going to learn how to build company website, school website, hotel website, hospital website, e-commerce website, social network website, church website. And not just that, you would also inside you will get a collection of premium done for you, ready to launch high converting sales funnel templates. This means that you don't get to build these template yourself again. We've already designed a full kit for you that you can just copy and replicate for your clients that are proven to generate red hot, ready to buy leads and convert with clicks into cash. And this includes lead funnel templates, digital funnel template, webinar funnel template, sales funnel template, and so on. Even if you don't know what they are, you get to learn all of it and learn how to just copy and paste it for your clients. You don't even need to do it again from scratch. And this is the full pack of the Profit Funnels kit. It has 100 plus, so you have a lot to exhaust, you have a lot to use for your client. Now, but aside that, you're also going to get in this program 12 months intense mentorship and support. When you get access to Web Design Cartel program, you also get access to a mentorship and support group for 12 months. So you have 1 full year to make sure that you make a lot of money after you've learned the skill. This support group will help you answer your questions and give you all the guidance you need to master the skill and land your client. Now, this program also comes with a copy and paste proposals. In order to land high client and high converting client, you need to be able to send compelling proposals that would position you as an expert and give you an edge among competitors. I have done the job for you by providing a compelling proposal sample that is responsible for landing multiple clients for me, and all you need to do is copy, edit, and paste. That's it. I've literally done everything for you. Copy, edit, and paste. Now, web consulting business roadmap is another thing you will get. In this section, you would also get the web consulting roadmap that would cover every aspect of web consulting. You will learn how to make a minimum of $500 in your first month as a web consultant. That means businesses would invite you, and then you make decisions on the kind of website they can build, how they have to build it, and the direction their website has to take, and they will pay you for just coming to give them your idea. You will discover how to find clients, reach out to them, smash interviews, and a lot more. But that's not all I'm giving you inside this training that transformed the life of people like Nemeka. I'm also going to give you everything that you need to get access. And let's break it down. First, you get how to build different kinds of website without coding. Actually, it's worth more than 50,000 naira, but for decency's sake, let's just say it's 50,000 naira. You're going to get a collection of premium done for you, ready to launch, high converting sales funnel template, and ideally is worth more than 29,000 naira again, but let's just say it's 29,000 naira, right? You're going to get access to our web consulting business roadmap, which is minimum cost of 25,000 naira, just being decent. Then you're going to get a 12-month mentorship and support, which is worth more than 497,000 naira. And then not just that, you will now get ready-made web design proposals that you can edit, put your name in it, print, and submit for web design contracts. And that alone is worth more than 7,000 naira. But if we put all of these things together, it's all more than 608,000 naira. That's about close to $700 at the time. And that's what the full program contains. We're going to sell it individually for you. There are people dying to learn how to land these clients. So beyond teaching you the tech skill, we're going to teach you how to land this client, and people are dying for this information. Right? Now, only today, I'm not going to charge you 705,000 naira, 700,000 naira plus. That is worth it. Obviously, I'm not even going to charge you 497, which is going to cost the cost for the 12 months mentorship. I'm not going to give you 70. I'm not going to give you all of that. I'm actually going to give you the price for today is 25,000 naira. And they're going to ask me, why am I doing it? Why am I doing this? I'm not doing this because it's so convenient. I'm doing it because I made a promise. I'm going to help as many Nigerians and Africans as possible to learn this skill, land job, and change their life. The story of transformation is something that really connects with me because I grew up from having nothing to building an empire of cash flow for myself on the internet with this same skill. And I'm willing to show a lot of people. My goal is to show another 100,000 people in the next 1 year this skill and see how it can transform their life just like Nnemeka. And you won't just get that again for 25,000 naira. You will also get my agency consultant kit. And this one is like a secret kit that I usually will never give out. This is what I use to land consultation gigs, even without working, just to talk in a meeting and then they get to pay me. I'm going to give it to you actually just for today. And it contains ready-made agency website to sell these services, irresistible proposal, high optimized core email sequence, pimp to sell telemarketing script for selling these services, print ready commercial graphics designs that contain business card, letterhead, invoices, and brochures that you can use. For done for you Facebook ad creative, done for you web banner for Google Ads, and DFY legal contract vetted by an attorney. That means everything legally we are equipping you for this. I usually will not give this thing out, but I'm going to give it to you because I really want you to have a story transformation like Nnemeka. You will get our agency consultation kit. This consultation kit alone is worth 97,000 naira, but you will get it for free when you get access to the Web Design Cartel program today. That's if you are getting it today. I will give you this myself. Now I know that if you are eager to change your life, you will want to know the next step to take. Now I'm going to show you how to get access to it in this next step. All you just need to do is to click the button below the screen, the buy now button below the screen, and you will get access to everything I've shared with you, plus my agency kit that is worth more than 97,000 naira on a decent price. Now, but you basically have two options today, right now, that you've gotten to this point with me in this webinar. Option number one is you can continue down the path you are right on right now. Try to figure out things on your own. Spend countless hours searching for solutions and possibly never reach the level of success you are capable of. It might take you months, even years, maybe, and you will likely waste a lot of time, energy, and money along the way. If you decide to walk out from this webinar without doing anything, I mean, this could be you. But you have a second option, which is the option that smart people like you would take. You can take the fast, smart, and easier path. Invest in this complete package and get everything you need to build your six-figure web design consulting business right now. You have all of the tools, resources, and support you need to start landing high-paying clients, even if you have no coding experience. You're going to be competing with people who are programmers for 5 to 7, 8 years. That's the kind of income you will be generating for yourself. And you'll be getting all of this again for just 25,000 naira. The price of this out there is 70,000 naira. But because you are in this webinar and I want to really help you, I've made this price 25,000 naira just for you today. Click the buy button under this video right now. I want to onboard you myself, activate this program for you, give you access to the mentorship community where you get to learn and be with other people. You also get a full dashboard to learn this course step by step at your own pace. The videos are recorded, the proposals are already there, the templates are already ready for you to swipe and use. Everything is ready for you to transform your life. Be like Nnemeka, who took action, and today he's reaping the reward. He's known all over the place in Lagos, hosting events, doing big things, working with foreign clients, getting deals done, making a lot of money and raising money for different projects. This could be you in the next calendar year if you decide to start today Learn this skill from someone who have done it. I've done it myself. I built it 11 years in this industry, and you can change your life. I really want to help you so that you can live the life you've always dreamt of. With just a 25,000 naira fee to unlock this program, you get access to everything inside. See you in the book.